Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Lens in your Google Chrome browser. So let's begin our video. So here you can see I just opened my Chrome browser, and right now I'm just going to type something or search something. So here you can see I just search motorbike, and here you can see there have some bike, and I don't know about this bike and I want to know more about this bike. So what I need to do, I just need to click this three dot on the top right corner. Then if you just scroll down, you can find a option search with Google Lens. Just select it, and right now you just need to select the area which on you actually want to know or actually want to search. After select it, here you can see it's loading. You just need to wait and you can find the details, and you can find the more option about this picture. So that's it. In this way you can very easily use Google Lens in your Google Chrome browser. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.